Dear children, this is the last portion in this chapter, that is scattered chart. A scatter plot is a type of plot that shows the data as a collection of points in the form of dots and shows the relationship between two variables, one plotted along x-axis and other plotted along y-axis. The scatter is the method we need to use for plotting or drawing scattered chart. My dear children, so far we discussed about some shapes like line, bar chart, histogram, pie chart. So all are having its own shapes or at least drawings. Here in the scattered chart we will only have dots, and color, marker are the two attributes. Marker is a symbol that we already discussed in the line chart, that is marker and marker edge. So marker is a symbol or style for representing the data point. The following is a list of valid marker style. S means square marker, O means circle marker, D means diamond marker, into means cross marker, plus means plus marker, and caps means triangle down, and V means triangle up. You have to give either one of this, that is within the markers list. All these are valid markers. So let me give the example: scatter, comma y, comma x. Here we need to provide x and y as a list. My dear children, look at the graph. It is having only points. Instead of line, instead of bar, we are only having the scattered points only. So color equal to x, marker equal to into. So instead of dot we will get into as the marker. I think you are all clear about how it happens. Saving plots or charts or graph to file. How to save all these graphs or the drawn graph to be saved, right? How we can use it is for future reference. Let us give me a. So here I plotted a scattered chart and I used a function called save figure. Within that I had provided the path. By using save figure file path, we can save the plot into a file. So that particular file will be in e.scatter.pdf. That means scatter is the file name we are going to give. PDF is the file format. So within the E drive you can see the scattered graph. I think you are all clear about how to save the chart or plots into a file. The function which we have to use is save fig. That means save the figure. And you have to provide the path for saving. That figure will be in the form of PDF only. So my dear children, look at how it is very easy. How we can draw a figure, that is how we can draw a chart, and it may be in different shapes like line, bar graph, multiple bar graph, multiple line graphs we are having, and pie graphs we are having, then histogram. All these can also be saved into a particular file in the format of PDF. So my dear children, that's all about that chapter, data visualization. In the online session we can discuss more about the text back questions, and be aware, please read the text. I will ask the questions from the text. So please show the module as soon as you need. Thank you.